Hello there, this is your trusted real estate advisor, Julia Sosa-Rocha here with eXp Realty, Julia and Associates team. The world is watching as the US unveils its exclusive Gold Card Visa program, offering a 5 million fast track to residency for ultra-wealthy investors. The term Gold Card is the play on the green card, officially known as the permanent residency card, which allows not citizens to live and work permanently in US and offers eligible legal permanent residents a path to citizenship through naturalization. Trump's plan would replace the EB-5 visa program, which for the past 35 years has been offering US visas to investors who spent $1 million or more on a company employing at least 10 people. But the quick question is, where should these high net worth individuals invest? And I have the answer: Atlanta, Georgia, and metropolitan area. Let me show you why this city is the ultimate destination for luxury living, smart investments, and elite lifestyle opportunities. Atlanta offers something that other major US cities don't, as world-class luxury at a fraction of the price. Compared to New York, Miami, or Los Angeles, you can own an ultra-modern estate, a penthouse with skyline views, or even private golf course property, all for significantly less. Imagine stepping into your own 8,000 square feet estate for the same price as a small condo in Manhattan. Your money simply goes further here. But Atlanta is not just stunning homes. It's booming economic powerhouse, home for 18 Fortune 500 companies, major tech hubs, and growing international business and movie industry scene. The city attracts CEOs, investors, and entrepreneurs from around the world. And with the world's busiest airport, you're just 2 hours flight away from any major global cities as New York or Miami. So, if you're looking for the perfect US city to call home, Atlanta checks every box: luxury, investment potential, global connectivity, and an elite lifestyle. And with the Gold Card Visa set to bring in a wave of wealthy investors, now is the time to secure your place before the market soars. If you are ready to make Atlanta your next investment destination, let's talk. I have access to the city's most exclusive properties before they even hit the market. If you found this video informative, hit like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video updates from me. Have a good one!